What's up everyone? Today we're doing an unboxing of McDonald's!
Tignan mo, nung nag-iipon dating ganyan.
What's inside this? Who is this? Gino. Okay, card. We're just gonna put the box here.
Asan yung burger ni Bunso? Kinuha na niya?
Yes, and we're gonna eat the burger.
Doon may soda pop. Ano ka lang?
Ngayon, soda pop. Backflip!
Ha? Meron kang ganyan. Ano yan?
Backflip! Oh! It's gonna do a backflip! Wow! Backflip! Yes! BTS! Si Gino! Ja! Open the juice! Tara, buksan mo yung juice.
Ano?
Ayun.
Okay. Now, this. Gonna do the backflip. Wow! It is a triple backflip. Triple backflip. Oh my god! It's great, is it?
Ikaw, bubuksan to.
It's so crazy. Thank you for watching this video. This is a very random unboxing. So bye guys. Bye bye. Say bye. Say bye. Bye bye.